Next, we are going to learn how to set up the Who Are We section with those moving progress bars we see right here on the Sydney demo. So let's get started by heading back to our Elementor window. Alright, so when we scroll down, we can add our new intersection. We'll just drag it into the dotted area. And now it's pretty clear we need some text on the left and some moving progress bars on the right. So let's see what elements can offer us. Alright, so in the left column, I'm just going to drag in a heading in the left column. Go back to elements and then drag in a text editor. Boom, and then beneath that, we're going to drag in something that gives us these little bullet points and the different bolded text, which is just the icon list right here. So we're going to put that in under the heading, and we got to move the text because it got into the lower wide area and we want it in the column. Perfect. Alright, so then to build the right hand column, we just need our Sydney element, which is going to have the progress bars. So it's just called progress bar. Nice and easy. Alright, and then you can actually duplicate the progress bars once we have the style down. So if we look at that, we see we have things like design, development, photography, strategy. Yours might be like cooking, baking, frosting, and eating, or whatever for things you want to quantify about yourself or your business. This is really good for like portfolio websites where you show off your skills. For example, they set us up with My Skill and Web Designer. To change how these little progress bars look, just hit the edit button and then you can change the title. So in our case, I really want this entire section to describe what we do with our time as a business and what someone would basically get if they hired us. But you can take this a lot of different creative ways. So the progress bars are going to show how we spend our time and like what we value. So, we can try writing in like the same skill like twice, like web design. And then web design is like 50% of what we do. That would be cool. And we can get the color red just from the Sydney demo by right clicking on any progress bar and inspecting. And that'll get you to the styles. And then you can scroll down until you find the red. It should show up eventually if we're lucky. And sometimes the CSS doesn't want to cooperate, so we can just go to our main website and we can see the background we put on our counter. Alright, this is nice Sydney orange red. Copy that. Oops. Copy that. And now we can pop that in down below. Alright, progress bar, style. The color is just going to be, that should do it. Go back to content and cool. So we are 50% web design, and now we can just right click and duplicate this progress bar. So we are also 50% graphic design. Nailed it. And now we can duplicate that one. And we are 100% WordPress. So we don't need that 100% there, just WordPress. Pop that percentage up to 100. And then we'll copy that one again and duplicate it. And the last one is 100% customer support, because we want people to be happy and we believe in answering questions, because that's how people learn WordPress. They don't learn WordPress from experts hoarding all the knowledge and just building more confusing stuff. They learn from people taking the time to teach. So that's what we do. So now we're going to change our heading to explain this area. We can do this as how we spend the day. And then we can change the subtext that we put in. So we're going to say, how do we have 300% of our time to devote to your new website? We just sort of make it happen and are proud of it. And then the list items are where you can really break it down more if you want. We can have like list item 1, say, let's edit it. Click it to edit. We can say the first one is building everything from scratch. Right, and the second one is going to be always guiding you at every step. And the third one's going to be saving you money on domain and hosting. Alright, so that's kind of our combo of what we do. And then we're just going to hit the check mark for all of them. So icon, check mark, and icon, check mark. All right, nailed it. And update. And done. Great job. And we are done with our progress bar section. Great job.